Hi everyone. Today we just drive down throughout the coastal area of Isle of Skye. Nothing much to see because the weather is really windy, and Ashley's basically there and our car is just parked over there. We thought we will just follow, and I can see some other people just following our trail. This is a beautiful, amazing waterfall. Really beautiful. It's extremely cold. We thought of just going up there right to the tip of the waterfall on top, but then we just felt that it was not a good idea going up there because it has rained and lots of muds. So yes, it's located, I really don't know what's the name of this waterfall, but it's located on the way right up to Pottery. It should be on your right hand side. It's beautiful, it's amazing. You can see, I think during summer people can take a swim, but definitely not in this weather. Ashley just pushed me on just to go to the other side. Ashley, be careful. There we go. I told you, be careful Ashley. It's very slippery. But this is very common while you are exploring new places, especially. Did you hurt yourself, Ashley? It's 1st of January 2020. Exploring and taking a good adventure. Go for an adventure. So yes, by all means, I absolutely love this, and it's really amazing. See you in the next bit. Bye.